Welcome to this tutorial on designing an interactive input field in Figma. In this guide, you will learn how to create a dynamic component that can simulate user interaction, all within the Figma design environment. We begin by directing you to visit the Figma website. Open your web browser and enter figma.com into the address bar. Once the website loads, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will see an option labeled Login. Go ahead and click this button to access your account. After clicking Login, the next step involves signing in using your Google account. On the login screen, you will see a button that offers you the option to continue with Google. Click on Continue with Google to initiate the sign-in process. You will then be prompted with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account you wish to use for your session. This seamless integration with Google makes accessing Figma both quick and secure. Once you have successfully signed in, the next part of this tutorial transitions into working with your project. Navigate to your project by accessing the appropriate page on Figma. Your project may be part of an existing file or workspace, so make sure you have the correct project selected. With your project open, you now direct your attention to creating a frame, which will serve as the container for your interactive input field. Locate the frame tool on the Figma toolbar and click it. Then draw out a frame on your canvas that will form the base of your design. With your frame in place, shift your focus to adding interactivity by utilizing Figma's action tool. This tool is located towards the bottom of the screen. Click on the Action tool to enable the various interactive features available in Figma. It is designed to help you add behavior to your components without writing any code. After selecting the Action tool, look for an option labeled Plugins and Widgets. Clicking on Plugins and Widgets will open a panel where you can search for additional functionalities. In this panel, you will want to type in the term Interactive Typing Input. This designation is used to locate a specific widget or plugin that enhances the functionality of text input fields. After entering the search term, you will see an interactive element labeled Interactive Typing Input appear in your list of options. Select this option by clicking on it. Once you do, Figma will bring up the configuration settings for the interactive element. Now it is time to fill in the details for your input field. In this stage, you will configure the properties such as placeholder text, color, sizing, and any other specifications that define the appearance and behavior of your input field. Work through the settings at your own pace, ensuring that every attribute is adjusted according to your design requirements. Finally, with the interactive element props configured, select the frame you previously created. Now click on the Create Component option. This final step converts your frame into a reusable component that encapsulates your interactive input field behavior. Once the component is created, you have successfully designed an interactive input field for your project in Figma. This concludes the step-by-step guide on designing an interactive input field in Figma. By following these instructions, you have learned how to navigate the Figma website, sign in with your Google account, set up your project, create a frame, add interactivity through the use of plugins and widgets, and ultimately transform your design into a component ready for repeated use within your project. Happy designing!